The problem which we are solving is integer to Roman number. So in brief, the given input is an integer and we need to convert it into a Roman number. So for that we need to follow three rules which we have mentioned here. And the constraints are the number given to us can be 1 to 3999. So based upon this we can just not bother about time complexity much because the constraint is not big. um, so the given three rules are this. So what the rule says is, so to convert a number into an integer and a Roman number, firstly we need to consider the first digit of the number. So if the leftmost of the number is not 4 or 9, we can just select the maximum value that can be subtracted from that number, and we can append that respective symbol to the Roman number and subtract the total from the previous number. So similarly we can deduce it until we reach the given number is less greater than or equal to 1. um, and the second rule what tells that is, so if the leftmost value is 4 or 9, we should have the another rule, because for 4 or 9 if you see, for 1 we will write this, and for 2 we will write this, and for 3 we will write this, but 4 we will not write like this. For 4 we will write IV. Similarly for 9 we will write IX, but not VIII, right? Yeah, so because of this we need to have another rule. So for this we will just the third rule tells is only powers of 10 can be appended consecutively at most 3 times to represent multiples of 10. You cannot append 5, 50, 500 multiple times. You don't. If you need to append a symbol 4 times, use a subtractive form. So, okay, what it tells is, like, if there is a 30, so how will I 30 xxx, right? So we can't write 40 as 4x, because the 4x could be x and l. Yeah, so this is what the rules tells. So maximum there could be only 3 consecutive powers of 10, powers of 10 or powers of 10, yeah. So let's start coding. So for that we need to initialize two arrays with the numbers and Roman numbers in decreasing order. However, I have created ascending order and reversed the number. So in order to not waste the time, I have just pasted the code. So what we'll do is, for I in so firstly I will store the value which we return as empty string. So I will iterate through this array. So for range of len of arr, length of the array, I will keep on subtracting the biggest possible value from this array from nums. So what I will do, I will write a while loop and I will write the given values num, right? So while num is greater than or equal to arr of I will just keep on subtracting that value, and upon subtracting the value consecutive times we should also decrease the num value. So num will be equal to num minus arr of I. Right. So and we will add the Roman number to it, the respective Roman number. The respective number would be Roman number of, so the arr of I is 1000. We will just add rom of I, rom of arr of I. 5. Now we can just return the value r. So then r is not defined. Sorry, this is equal to. So I should not append for r. Yeah, so the solution got accepted after debugging. Yeah, this is how we will solve this problem.